So, hello guys, what's up? It's me again, si Mima Alicia nyo, at nagbabalik ulit para sa ating panibagong video. So, talagang pinanindigan po ng ating pamahalaan, mga minamahal, na wala pong VIP treatment, wala pong Disney Princess treatment dito sa appointed Son of God and the owner of the universe. So, from Camp Crame, mga minamahal, ay ililipat na po itong si Pacquiao, si Pastor Apollo Carion Kibuloy, dito nga po sa Quezon City Jail. Sa kulungan, mga minamahal, ililipat na po itong nag-iisang appointed Son of God and the owner, fugitive of the universe, na si Apollo Kibuloy. So ngayon, ito yung balita. Pakinggan nyo, mga minamahal, oh. Talagang hindi po siya binibaby ng administrasyon. Lahat po tayo dito pantay-pantay kahit sino ka pa man. Sabi nga ng ating presidente, kaibigan man kita sa hindi, as long as you are committed for a crime, di ba? Ay mananagot ka. Kaya nga galit na galit si Inday, di ba? O ngayon, tingnan nyo to, mga minamahal.
A Quezon City Court is ordering the transfer of Apollo Kibuloy and 4 of his subordinates to the new Quezon City Jail. In an order dated September 9, Quezon City Regional Trial Court Branch 106 directed to transfer and commit Kibuloy and his co-accused Crescente Canada to the new Quezon City Jail in Payatas Road, Bagong Silangan. His other co-accused Jacqueline Roy, Ingrid Canada, and Sylvia Semañez are committed to the Quezon City Jail Female Dormitory in Camp Caringal. Kibuloy and his 4 aides have been detained at the custodial center of the Philippine National Police in Camp Crame, Quezon City, following their capture on September 8 in Davao City. On September 9, Kibuloy's camp filed a petition to put the embattled religious leader to house arrest or his custody be transferred to a
Nag-request pa itong si Kibuloy ng house arrest. Ang kapal ng mukha, no? Anyway.
Of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Kibuloy's lawyer, Israelito Torreon, cited security concerns as well as his client's old age. The Department of National Defense immediately opposed Kibuloy's plea, saying the AFP is not the proper agency to have custody of suspects in criminal cases. Kibuloy and 5 of his subordinates are facing child abuse and human trafficking cases. One of his subordinates, Pauline Canada, has been under the custody of authorities since July.
So, yan po yung update, mga minamahal, na itong si Kibuloy ay ililipat na po sa Quezon City Jail kasi nagre-request itong si Kibuloy na ng house arrest. 'Di ba? Ay, let him treat as an ordinary person. Walang baby dito. Kapal naman ng mukha mo, magpapa-house arrest ka, 'di ba? Hindi di porket appointed Son of God ka, and hindi di porket ikaw yung owner ng universe na to, ay may VIP treatment sa kulungan. Walang ganon. O hindi po ginarantiya, mga minamahalang gusto nilang house arrest. Ang ginawa po, yan tuloy, request pa kayo, nandyan na nga kayo sa Camp Crame, ang dami nyo pang ginangalngal, tingnan nyo, ano yung nangyari, inilipat ka tuloy, dito sa mga kulungan, dito sa Quezon City Jail, sa Payatas, ba, mga minamahal, yun yung kaninang nabanggit, diba? Pero kung kahit saan ka man, kahit saan kulungan ka man naparoroon, ang mahalaga dito, nasa kulungan ka. At hindi ka itatrato as a appointed Son of God or VIP. Kasi yan po yung pinanindigan ng ating presidente, mga minamahal, na wala pong VIP dito. Yan po yung sinabi ng ating pamahalaan. Nasa na ba yung statement ng ating presidente? Walang VIP treatment. O ito, pakinggan natin, mga minamahal. May ads. Wait lang. May ads. Wait lang, antay natin, mga minamahal.
May sugat lamang, no major injuries were sa tulakan, sa girian. Ngunit wala namang nasaktan, wala namang namatay, walang naparil. Dahil walang politiko. Lahat ng pumasok sa KOJC compound, lahat ng tao natin, ni isa doon ay may dalang baril. Wala sa kanilang may dalang baril. Dahil hindi mo na malaman kung may dalang baril, iba yung nagiging usapan. Yung instruction ko sa kanila, wala akong gusto masaktan. Hindi ko naman gusto masaktan yung mga member ng KOJC. Dahil tinutulungan lang nila yung kanilang sinusundan na leader. Okay, bakit ba't natin sila sasaktan? Ba't pa tayo magdadala ng baril?
Tama.
So, gano'n na lang. And so, again, this is how it should be done. You can't do this without hurting anyone. You can't do this without shooting anyone. That is what police work is meant to be. And this is police work at its best. Kaya congratulations sa lahat ng ating mga kapulisan, yung na-involved, yung behind the scenes na na-involved, ang ating Chief PNP ay talagang all the time, araw-araw nagre-report sa akin, sometimes 2-3 times a day, kung ano yung mga pangyayari doon sa Davao. So, it is really with some relief that I can say that at least this phase of that operation is now over, and we now leave Mr. Kibuloy to the judiciary, to the judicial system, and siyempre, babantayan natin na tama naman ang mangyayari, na lahat ng kanyang karapatan, walang nasasagasaan sa karapatan niya, wala namang ibabaliwala sa kanyang kahilingan, kung ano man yun. But again, there is no special treatment. Although he's a very prominent person, we actually, hindi na, kung kahit may magsabi na gawin natin special treatment, hindi namin alam gawin yun eh. We don't know what special treatment is. So we will treat him like any other arrested person, and we'll respect his rights, and we will go through the process. The process will be transparent. Everyone who is involved will be accountable, and we will demonstrate once again to the world that our judicial system in the Philippines is active, is vibrant, and is working well. Alright?
Yun, narinig ninyo? Wala pong special treatment dito. So, kagaya din po yan ng post ni Benhur Abalos, mga minamahal. Tingnan nyo kasi, di ba yung naunang post, yung picture ni Kibuloy blurred. Ngayon, tingnan nyo sabi dito ni Benhur Abalos, no one is above the law. Ito po ang opisyal na mugshot ni Apollo Kibuloy at ibang kaugnay sa kanilang mga kinaharap na kaso sa ating bansa. Yan, si Sylvia Simanes. Tingnan mo, sarap batukan. Si Ingrid Canada. Tingnan mo, nagkakamukha na sila, no? Si Crescente Canada. Grabe. Si Apollo Kibuloy. Yan, si Apollo Kibuloy. Grabe, tindi, no? Tago pa more. Tago pa more. Mukhang hindi naman pumayat si Kibuloy. Hindi naman stress. You will treat as a normal person. Walang VIP treatment dito. Ano yung nakasulat dito? Violation of Anti-Trafficking and Person Act of 2003, RA 9208 as amended by RA 10364, expanded Anti-Trafficking in Person Act of 2012. Yan. September 8, 2024 CIDG. Tapos ito si Jacqueline Roy. Diba? Kasama sila, Sabay-sabay silang sumuko, Diba? Tama nga yung intelligence report na magkakasama tong mga to. Mga minamahal. So, wala pong special treatment. At ang panibagong development ngayon, hindi po pinayagan yung house arrest. Bagkus dinala pa sila sa Quezon City Jail. Diba? Request pa. Mga minamahal. Angas, no? Kayo na nga tong may kasalanan, gusto nyo bigyan pa kayo ng special treatment. Si Dilima nga, hindi binigyan ng special treatment. Tapos kayo, gusto nyo, meron kayo. Angas naman ang bones ninyo. Tindi naman ang mga mukha ninyo. Diba? Anyway, yun po, mga minamahal. It's me again, si Mima Alicia nyo, at nagbabalik ulit para sa ating panibagong video.